Welcome to WD-GAN forecasting methods. In this part, we shall be checking out the basics of GAN angles. Now, within the GAN square of 9, we encounter two significant crosses. You have already seen these lines when I was opening the Ganzilla software. So here the lines are colored differently. So one is the cardinal cross and one is called ordinal cross. So cardinal means central or essential, and the cardinal cross insists of 4 number that is aligned in the cardinal point of the square of 9. The cardinal point means this part, the 4, 2, 6, 8. So the red line on the left, the red line in the image on the left denotes the cardinal cross, and the number that falls on the cardinal cross are significant. And why it is called cardinal cross? If you remember in the old times in the forts when you used to the times of war, so these are the 4 direction, right? The north, east, west and south. So that's why there are like cardinals, and the northeast or southeast or the other corner points, they are called ordinals. So the ordinals are the positions in the diagonals of the GAN square of 9. The blue line here, it is called ordinal. So the word ordinal refers to the order or sequence of the number. The numbers are strategically placed in the northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest direction in the square. These are also support and resistance, but these are less significant than the cardinal cross. However, both of the term comes from Christianity only. So the cardinal cross is often interpreted in the relation to the Jesus Christ cross, because the cross is like this, you can see from the visual representation, and the ordinal comes for the Christian rite called ordination. Now in GAN's book and every literature of GAN, you have heard this line: the perfect harmony of time and price lies at 45 degrees. So GAN believed that the ideal balance between time and price exists where the price rise or fall between a 45 degree angle. So in that context, the support and resistance in a GAN square of 9 lies in the 45 degree, as you can see here. So look at the blue line, it is 45 degree from here, and look at this one, this is also again 45 degree. I am assuming that you know the degrees, that is very basic. So this is the 90 degree, this is 0 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 135 degree. So each separate, each from, so look at the protector here. So that's how the concept of protector is coming. So the protector is drawn here anti-clockwise. You can make it clockwise also. 0, 45, look, 90, 135, look at the diagonal here, 180, 225, like that. Now this is also called 1 into 1 angle. So because the prices rise 1 price unit for each time unit. If you do not know, I am assuming that you are not able to understand it properly. You will know it when you can see, when you use it more profoundly in the examples in the later part of this course. We shall discuss it later. Know the 1 into 1 angle. So GAN angles work like support and resistance. We have already talked about the cardinal cross and ordinal cross. So in the same context, we can calling it GAN angle, and the GAN angles are acting like support and resistance, right? Because it is all the 45 degrees. GAN believe it is the most important angle and it determines the trend strength. If like it signifies a bull trend if the prices are above the angle, and signifies a bear market if prices are below the angle. And you will again see when I will put the GAN angles in proper chart and show you. Now when during an uptrend, like let's say the number 16 is the current market price and it is in uptrend, then this will act as a support, the 15 and the level 15, and the 17 will act like a resistance. So this is the basic theory. You will see how we implement it in the later part of the video. In other words, as one angle is penetrated, expect price to move. So the same support and resistance concept is there, which is written again and again in various languages. So you do not need to worry about those part. Just remember that in a GAN square of 9, the diagonals and the cross is support and resistance. And the same concept of support and resistance will come here, that when a support is penetrated, it can reverse, it can also fall down, things like that. So so far you have learned what is cardinal cross, what is ordinal cross, the basics of Gauss angle, and the similar way how we are talking that Gauss angles can be used in support and resistance, because cardinal cross and ordinal cross can be also used in support and resistance, and the importance of 45 degrees or 1 by 1 angle, and relation between cross and Gauss angles. So how we can call the ordinal cross and cardinal cross as 1 into 1 angle. So that's it. That is a very confusing part of the course, and you can see more to it in the next part of the course. And so far, if you have not understand that how the uptrend part or the downtrend part in the previous slides, like in this part, like how in a bull market it will help, or a bear market it will help, you will see that in when we'll see with more examples. Okay, so for now only focus on the terminologies, and only understand the terminologies, that why, what is Gauss angle, and the Gauss angle, and what is cardinal cross, or what is ordinal cross, stuff like that. And we'll again discuss this part in the next part of the examples, where and you will understand it. So that's it. See you in the next part of the video.